Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. A very good afternoon, everyone. It's Saturday afternoon and it's raining heavily. It's drizzling actually. On the occasion of Independence Day, I would like to wish everyone. And coming to our classes, we're coming to our SAP classes, which we have started a couple of weeks ago, but due to some busy schedule of mine, it got delayed for some time. I really apologize for that and really appreciate your support and concern and patience for that. And believe me, real independence, actual freedom is starts knowing yourself. So as a group, as a admin of the group and as a part of admin team, I would like to suggest everyone and inform everyone that know yourself, improve your personality. Nobody knows better than you. So real freedom is actually the freedom. This Independence Day conveys the message that real freedom is a freedom which start knowing yourself. Start with knowing yourself. So start knowing with yourself is a freedom. So previously in SAP FICO sessions, we have gone through about the basics of SAP, how to create a company, how to assign a company code, and how to create a chart of accounts in the company code. Now we will focus more on lesson 4, which is how to create a retained earning accounts. Retained earning nothing but a P&L account, which is the main account deal with all the expenses, incomes, business deal with. So without taking much time, we will move to that. So previously we have gone through SAP how to create a, here it is. So now, as I said earlier also, while creating company code or creating a chart of accounts or creating any sort of changes or any sort of alterations need to be done in SAP, the main T code is SPRO. Enter transaction code SPRO in the command field. Then it will take you the customizing executive project screen. Again, you have to click on the glasses or specs icon. Then you have to go implementation guide financial accounting. In that you have to select under GL account you have to select master data and you have to select define retained earnings account. In this step, now we will define the retained earning accounts. In the next screen, how chart of accounts INT international. In the next screen, select new entries from the application. Once you select the new entries, you can enter P&L account statement type. Okay, so now you have to enter chart of accounts international, always create international, and transaction balance carried forward, because it's every month it will carry a balance during month end, and P&L account. Okay, so you can give any 6-digit account number here. For example, it was given here. Then now you can maintaining the posting key for this account by selecting posting in application menu. Okay, posting key. What should be the posting key? So in SAP, while you posting any debit or credit in any GL account, the posting key should be 40 for debit and 50 for the credit. So the default is 40 and 50 provided by SAP only. We will use the same. Now after maintaining all the required information, we will press save. What we will do, I will repeat. We go to SPRO, customizing menu, and we will select define retain earning accounts. We will enter chart of accounts international. We will enter new, click on new entries, and we will enter balance it forward. We will give P&L statement X, and account should be 6 digits. Now you can maintain any posting key by selecting posting key. What is the posting key? You can select your own by as well, but at global level SAP accept 40 and 50, 40 for debit, 50 for credit. Now once you enter the posting key, you have to click on save. After that you will get a request number. You have created the successfully the retain earning account. So this is all about creating a retain account. So now we have completed the first phase of how to create a company code, and how to create a chart of accounts, how to create a account and assign to a company code, and how to create a retain earning accounts. So hopefully from Monday we will start a new chapter with us, and how to create a GL accounts and all. Meanwhile I will just don't without taking much time on this Independence Day. I would like everyone to celebrate Independence Day with family. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, and on behalf of admin team, once again I wish everyone a happy Independence Day. Thank you.